Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this, now don't come your side with another breaking news. I don't come your screen with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside the nation Nigeria. The cocoa now we say campaign posters where they feature the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey be Goodluck Jonathan, don't flood major locations for inside Kano State. And these campaign posters, my good people, e don dey spark speculation about a potential bid for the presidency for inside the year 2027. E don make country people now dey reason say omo last oga Goodluck Jonathan na go represent the People's Democratic Party for inside the 2027 presidential election. And you see these posters now wey dey carry oga Goodluck Jonathan face, dem post am with strategy o. Dem post some for high traffic areas like the Gyadi Zoo Road flyover plus Kofa Nasarawa and State Road. And the slogan of this poster na Team New Nigeria 2027, the Goodluck Nigeria needs Dr. Goodluck Jonathan. And no be lie o, my good people, sake of all these posters now, they don go plaster for strategic locations for sites wey be say men eye go easily observe am. The thing now don make many country people come dey see am as a sign. They don dey see this move now as a clear indication of oga Goodluck Jonathan potential interest in the presidency. Although the spokesperson of oga Goodluck Jonathan, wey dey go by the name Okechukwu Eze, he never comment on the matter. He never yarn whether true oga Goodluck Jonathan mind don dey for inside the 2027 presidential election. And this kind thing bin don happen to oga Goodluck Jonathan before o. He bin don face similar circumstance, and wetin happen that time be say the supporters of oga Goodluck Jonathan go dey purchase nomination forms under the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) for inside the year 2023 elections. And as dem do this level finish, the oga Goodluck Jonathan himself, him wash him hand totally comot for the matter. Him distance himself from the form. Now another form of campaign don come board. This poster levels now is very much spearheaded by one political movement wey dey very much known as Team New Nigeria, wey be TNN. And this group don dey ramp up their activities across we country wey be Nigeria. So then the leader of the Team New Nigeria, wey be TNN, he come dey explain, dey give country people why they dey do wetin they dey do. He come dey explain, dey give tori people about the efforts of the group. And according to him, he said they are driven by public demand for transformative leadership. Na sake of say country people now don too hungry for change, and they yearn for a new party with new faces to drive the change, to bring about the change. They want a transformation in the culture and efficacy of governance at all levels. They want make things good for our political system, and they want make things good for we nation Nigeria. That na why the Team New Nigeria come board. And like this now, they don establish a harmonization committee for inside Kano State, and TNN dey in the process of registering as a political party with the Independent National Electoral Commission, wey be INEC. And the group wey be TNN, so they dey claim say like this they don mobilize 26,382 registered voters across we green country wey be Nigeria. And they don develop essential party structures, including a flag, logo, constitution, and manifesto. So like this now, my good people, this TNN will be Team New Nigeria. They are very much ready to be a political party, which just remain now and just registration. And now them now they press button, make the former president of we nation Nigeria, will be Goodluck Jonathan, contest again for inside the year 2027 as president of our country. And the truth be say, no be only this group wey dey press button make oga Goodluck Jonathan come back as president. Other coalition groups, especially from the northern region, they dey all press button make oga Goodluck Jonathan contest for inside the 2027 presidential election. Even the Bauchi state governor sef don even come outside for national TV dey yarn am say if oga Goodluck Jonathan contest for the 2027 presidential election, he wey be Bauchi state governor, he go drop him ambition, he go drop every other thing wey he wan do, then he go support oga Goodluck Jonathan with all the strength wey he get. Now my good people, I know say all of us get our point of view about this very particular matter. Like this now, some countrymen now don dey reason say if last Goodluck Jonathan come contest for inside the year 2027, make Peter Obi just kuku relax because countrymen no go too give am face. Countrymen no know how things go be if e no become president of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria, but they know how things be for inside we nation when Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan be dey govern am as president. And sake of say things now don choke under this current administration wey dey led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, many country pipo fit still no give am face during the 2027 general election, but the All Progressives Congress dey press button to make sure say last na Oga President Bola Ahmed Tinubu na go still come outside as winner of the election. Anyhow this informate be for body my good people, or anyhow you see the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another legit intel wey dey my table like this wey I need share give the general public. The koko be say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in don last return to the Federal Capital Territory wey be Abuja after his state visit to France and South Africa. The plane of our president now touched down at the presidential wing of the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport wey dey for inside Abuja at about 9 p.m. on Wednesday wey be the 4th day of December for inside this year 2024. And our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu bin embark on the trips last week Wednesday. The trip now begin with a state visit to France at the invitation of French President Emmanuel Macron. The visit now was very much aimed at strengthening political, economical and cultural ties while fostering new opportunities, while creating new chances, new opportunities for partnership in key sections like agriculture, security, education, health, youth engagement, employment, innovation and energy transition. Now after the 3-day engagement wey im get for inside France, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu come proceed, im come step enter South Africa on Monday to go become co-chairperson for the 11th section of the Nigeria-South Africa Bi-National Commission alongside South African President wey be Cyril Ramaphosa. Now I know say many country people go dey out there wey go dey lament, wey go dey yarn say the kind travel wey this our president dey travel sef e no too make sense. They go just leave our nation like this, go other countries, go dey do one or two. The truth of the matter be say all these in travels now na for the betterment of the general public. You understand? In dey push the name of our country now dey go far to make sure say other countries dem partner with our nation so that things for still go well for country people and for we nation. But anyhow you still see the matter, anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. This na the informate wey I wan share give the general public, and na we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby na to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like the update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go even receive am sharp. I dey come again with another legit intel for you my good people. If you go anywhere, you don't miss the updates with that, so no go anywhere.